In today's video, we are diving into the debate between pasture-raised eggs and conventional eggs. And are eggs really healthy for us? Let's find out. Eggs have long been a staple in our diets, but there has been ongoing discussion about their health benefits. Are they really good for us, or should we be skeptical? Let's take a closer look. Hi, I'm Ala Shapiro, and this is the Spot On It channel, where I cover topics such as health, wellness, and beauty. Stay until the end, and I will show you my favorite egg dish. First, let's talk about the different types of eggs available in the market. We have free-range, cage-free, and pasture-raised eggs. What's the difference, you ask? Let's find out. Free-range eggs come from hens that have access to the outdoors for at least a portion of their day. Cage-free eggs, on the other hand, are laid by hens that are not confined to cages but may not necessarily have outdoor access. Lastly, we have pasture-raised eggs like these. And this is Sarah. She eats pasture-raised eggs only. Say hi.
Hi, and that's not true.
That's true because that's the only eggs we have. Let's do this again. Lastly, we have pasture-raised eggs, which come from hens that roam freely on pastures and have ample space to forage for their natural diet. Now that we know the differences, let's explore why pasture-raised eggs are gaining popularity. One of the main advantages of pasture-raised eggs is that the hens have a more natural and varied diet. They can freely graze on grass, insects, and other natural foods, resulting in eggs that are richer in nutrients like omega-3, fatty acids, and vitamins. Additionally, pasture-raised, these eggs have been found to contain higher levels of antioxidants such as vitamins A and E compared to conventional eggs. These antioxidants can help protect our cells from damage and support overall health. You might have also come across omega-3 enriched eggs in the supermarket, but are they really beneficial for us? Let's find out. Omega-3 enriched eggs are produced by feeding hens a diet supplemented with omega-3 fatty acids, typically from sources like flaxseed. These eggs do contain high levels of omega-3s, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation in the body. However, it's important to note that the levels of omega-3s in these eggs may still be lower compared to pasture-raised eggs. So if you're looking to maximize your omega-3 intake, pasture-raised eggs might be a better choice. Now that we know that pasture-raised eggs are best, let's talk about the benefits of eating eggs. Eggs have long been known as a versatile and nutrient-rich food, and for good reason. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and other valuable nutrients that can positively impact our health. First and foremost, eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein. They contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need for growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues. Including eggs in your diet can help support muscle development and overall cell function. Eggs are also a nutrient powerhouse. They are rich in essential vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B12, and folate. These vitamins play crucial roles in maintaining healthy vision, supporting bone health, boosting immune function, and promoting healthy red blood cells. Additionally, eggs are a great source of minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium. Iron is important for carrying oxygen in the blood, while zinc supports immune function and wound healing. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage. There has been some debate about eggs' impact on cholesterol levels and heart health. However, recent research suggests that moderate egg consumption does not significantly raise the risk of heart disease for most people. In fact, eggs can be part of a heart-healthy diet when consumed as part of a balanced eating plan. Eggs contain beneficial nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and choline, I don't know how to pronounce that, which are known to support heart health. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation and promote a healthy heart, while choline is essential for brain development and function. Did you know that eggs are also beneficial for your eyes? They are an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that are concentrated in the retina. These antioxidants can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. By including eggs in your diet, you can provide your eyes with these valuable nutrients and support long-term eye health. If you are trying to manage your weight, eggs can be a valuable addition to your diet. They are high in protein, which can help increase feeling of fullness and reduce appetite. Including eggs in your breakfast or meals throughout the day can contribute to a balanced and satisfying diet. Remember though that portion control and overall dietary balance are key when it comes to weight management. And like I promised, I'm going to show you how I make my favorite egg recipe. Okay, we are making hole in the bread.
In the bread.
You want? We need a little bit of butter, and butter should be pasture-raised as well. I put it here. After you make bread a little bit crispy in butter, you're going to add an egg to fill the hole. I always wash the eggs just to make sure there are no bacteria in the eggs. I use pink Himalayan salt. I like it. It's the best. So just put salt on top. You can put black pepper. Look, some out of black pepper, so we'll put paprika. We'll make it nice and red. Here we go. We're going to cover it and cook a little bit. And while that is happening, I'm going to cut up a little bit of green onions just for color. Let's check on the eggs. I think they are ready, actually. Do you see how the egg yolk is orange? I find it with pasture-raised eggs, the yolk is orange, so that means to me there are more nutrients in there. We can put some green onion on top. I also have store-bought salsa that we can put a little bit on top for color and taste. Let's taste. And if you don't like runny eggs, you just cook it for a little bit longer. But I love runny eggs. This is how I like my eggs. It's real good. Highly, highly recommend. If you like this content, watch this next video on health, wellness, and beauty. Until next time.